Hello my crafty friends, I'm here with some more Merry Mail, and let me tell you what, this is merry indeed. Susan Tootsie Tucker sent this cute little package to me, and you guys, I wanted to share earlier and I just could not at the time, but you guys, she made me a Nomi in the sleigh. How stinking cute is that? And in fact, this little guy was my little tiny tree topper. Oh my gosh, tree topper. He sat in the top of my tree instead of a star this year, and he's just so stinking cute. I absolutely love this little dude. So thank you so much, Susan, for creating him. He is in the blue and the red, which is my favorite colorway for Christmas. I'm going to be doing it again next year. I just love this little dude. He's so cute. And she made me a glue stopper, you guys, in the same colors. Look at this. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Susan, thank you so much. This is so cute. And every time I use my glue, I will be thinking of you, my friend. I'd actually taken it out and put it in my glue bottle, but then I wanted to share it with you guys, so I took it back out. But isn't this sweet? I just love it. I love the colors. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to put this over here where I can put it with my glue. And then you guys, I got one of her little cups. Isn't that cute? I love it. She uses the caulking and the diamond dust and this little candy cane, and of course it's in my color. I just love it. This was also an ornament on my tree. Just super sweet. And then has a nice little cup too. And then you guys, she sent me these buttons. These are so cool. I can't wait to share these with you guys. Look at these buttons. See these? They are just fantastic. They are very sturdy. They feel like they're acrylic. I've got fuzz on me. Here's Santa Claus and a little lantern and the candle and a wreath and Santa and his sleigh and another wreath, another Santa and his sleigh. So it's repeated, but that's fine because I'm going to be using these. Here's a little reindeer. I'm going to be using these on a quilt and a penguin. I already told Susan I'm going to be using these on a quilt, a Christmas quilt that I want to make. I have a couple of Christmas quilt kits that I would like to put together, and I wanted to get them done this year, but that just didn't happen. I can't sit for very long to sit and machine quilt, so I'm hoping that with some further therapy this year that I'll be able to do that. So anyway, I want to thank you, Susan, for my lovely package. I loved it. You guys are just, everybody thinking of me is just so thoughtful. I cannot express into words how much I appreciate you guys thinking of me and sending me little happy mail. Not that you have to, and not that I expect anybody to, but it's just really sweet to be thought of. And then the next package comes from my sweet, sweet cat. Now, I have a daughter-in-law named Cat, and this is not the same cat. This is, she used to have a YouTube channel. She has since deleted it, but she does have an Etsy store, and I will be linking that in the description box. Cat is Lollithimble, and on Etsy, she still has a YouTube channel, but she doesn't have any videos. But she created this little Santa for me. He is made out of Pendleton wool. Isn't he cool? And then he's got the little hat, which he's gathered all up, and it's an ornament. And he was also hanging on my little tiny tree. And then all of this wonderful cotton yarn. I recognize this stuff. This is from all cooped up from way in the back of the days. Yes, this is early 90s, all cooped up. At least that's what it appears to be. So, but the little flower and the buttons, and there's a little doily back there, or a piece of sweater, it appears, and then the word believe on it. It's just super sweet, cat. And I love this. Love, love, love this. And it's made out of Pendleton wool, which is the best wool. I used to buy my dad a shirt every year made out of Pendleton wool. That was what he wanted. So thank you so much, Kat, for this beautiful creation. And I thank you as well, Susan. And I love them. I love them. See how well they go together? Yes, they do. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great week and make a happy memory. And I will be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.